Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this session, we are going to discuss about the below use case. So create one producer and consumer application for WhatsApp communication by using activemq. Okay, here we are going to use the JMS is activemq. So in detail, I have already explained in the previous session. So if you want to watch, okay, what is JMS and what is MQs, what is queue on topic, go to our YouTube channel, ViTech Talks. So here, go to playlist, go to playlist. So the playlist, it is MuleSoft JMS, activemq, and Kafka. Okay, this is the playlist which I have created. So go through this one. Also, I have prepared a notes. You can go to GitHub link. Okay, anyway, I'm going to give you this link in the description. So here I have prepared the notes. Okay, what is message queue? Okay, create a communication link between two applications for continuous data flow. So here we do have producer and consumer. P2P communication, what is peer-to-peer communication, what is pub-sub communication. So this is an example diagram. Okay, the types of communications and what are the different types of MQs it is available. So everything I have written in a notes. Okay, so you can go through this notes for more detail, but let's try to solve this problem or use case. So in order to create producer and consumer, okay, so first, what are the prerequisites? Okay, what are the prerequisites? Java, okay, Java software has to be installed, and activemq also we need to install and we need to set up. Okay, activemq setup has to be done. Okay, these two are very important. Okay, now I have installed, already there in my machine as a Java. So in order to check Java, go to cmd java -version. Okay, so Java is installed. So activemq setup. Okay, in order to download activemq, there are few steps which I have already given. Okay, you can go through the steps. Okay, so this is an URL, a download URL. So you need to click on Windows based and you need to extract this folder and you need to click on activemq.bat file. Okay, in order to up activemq server. So in my mission, it's already downloaded. So that is there in a C drive. Okay, go to bin and Windows 64, click on this activemq.bat. Okay, it is running now. See, now it is up. Okay, first you need to identify whether it is up or not. What you can do, you can copy this web console available URL. Okay, 8161. You have to remember this. There are two ports. One is 8161 and another one is 61616. Okay, this is a TCP port number. Go here, just type. The password is admin. Okay, now the steps. Okay, first I'll write the steps here. Okay, the minimum steps. Create. Okay, create queue. So if it is a peer-to-peer communication, so that means producer and consumer, it's like one-to-one communication. So WhatsApp communication is always one-to-one, right? We need to create a queue in activemq portal. our website. So once it is done, okay, need to create Mule app for producer, create Mule app for consumer. Okay, these are the 3 steps. Then run the project, and test. The first step is we need to create a queue. How to create a queue? Go to this URL, okay, activemq. Okay. So here we can see manage activemq broker. Click on this one. Here we can see queues, topics, and the subscribers. Let's get create queue here. Okay, click on this queues. So what is the queue name it is required? Okay, I'm going to create as ViTech WhatsApp communication, right? WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp messages. So because this is queue, I'm going to create as a queue here. Okay. So now you can see the queue is created. Let me keep it here. The queue name and all. Okay. Now go to Anypoint Studio, click on File, create new Mule project, ViTech WhatsApp. Use case. Okay, I'll keep it as like this. So here, so first we need to develop create Mule project for producer. Okay. So in order to produce the messages, click on HTTP and drag the listener. The port 8081. The path is, I'll keep it as JMS WhatsApp, or else I will do is JMS send a message. Okay, send MSG. Now, if you want, you can add the loggers. So what I will do here, I'll go to add modules and click on JMS and drag this JMS here. Now we need to first publish, right? Take the publish here. So this is very important. Just observe. So here we do have a configuration. Click on this plus button. Okay, JMS config. So the name, if you want, you can change it here. So there is one required library. Just click on this configure and click on add Maven dependency and click on finish. Now you can come a little bit down. So here we need to provide the activemq portal username and password. What is the username and password? Admin and admin. Okay, how to verify this password? The username and password, how you will get to know? Go to activemq folder. So here we do have configs. So if you observe this one, okay, 1 minute, it's going somewhere. Show more options. Let me open in Notepad++. See, admin and admin. Okay. See, everything I have written in the document. If you go to this document, here you can able to see. Check Apache activemq configuration user.properties. Okay. So this is where we can find. Now there are two important links. One is for web console available. Okay, this you already know, and another one is 61616. This is the broker URL. Okay, how to find this broker URL? Go to this one, activemq command prompt. Okay, where you have run the server activemq.mom. So just copy this. Up to copy this one. Admin, sorry, password, right? The password is admin. Username and password. In the connection factory, you have to select, okay, factory configuration. Click on edit inline. Okay, edit inline. Then you can remove this one. Okay, you can remove this one. See, it is asking, see what is the default one? TCP localhost 61616. Okay, see if you provide that one also, it will work. This is like my PC name. So instead of this, what you can do? Localhost or 127.0.127.0.0.1 also you can give. So this is also localhost URL. Next. Okay, 61616. Just click on test configuration. See, now test connection is successful. One step is done. Click on OK. Here you need to provide your queue name. So what is your queue name? Your queue name is ViTech. Okay, yes is missing. What app messages queue? Okay, whatever it is. Okay. So in order to change, suppose you want to delete and if you want to create another one, you can do this. Okay, there is an option. Okay, let me create WhatsApp. See, we do have WhatsApp message queue and WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to use WhatsApp here. Okay, fine. So now I want to acknowledge, right? Okay, whether it is completed or not. Okay, I'm going to use transform message here. JSON. So here I'm going to write, okay, message send to queue is success. Message send to queue is success. Now one step is done. Okay, one step is done. Let's simply run this one. Okay, publisher. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the endpoint for this. Go to Thunder client or Postman. Take new request. WhatsApp, right? JMS. WhatsApp producer. Okay, local host 8081 slash JMS slash send message. See, it is deployed successfully. You can go to listener, send message. Okay, this is the URI path. It's fine. Now go to body. So what type of data you want to send? Either you want to send text format or you want to send JSON format. Okay, I want to send text format. What I'm going to do here is simply send hi. Okay, hi. The message sent to queue is success. Okay. Now, in order to verify, go to web console. So here you can see the number of ending messages is 1. Click on this one. So if you click this message ID, you will get to know what type of message it is receiving. See, hi. Now I am going to send, how are you? One more message done. See, as of now, only we are publishing the messages. How are you? Learning MuleSoft from ViTech Talks. Okay, fine. Message sent to queue is success. Now, what you can do is you can go to web console, click on this queue. There are 3 pending messages. In order to view these messages, okay, you can go through this. Okay, the third message. Okay, I'm learning MuleSoft. Okay, I want to see second message. Go to second message. See, how are you? So this is how we can publish the messages. Okay, this is how we can configure and publish the message into activemq. Activemq is the MOM here. In the previous sessions, I have already explained in detail. Okay, so it's like point to point. What is MOM? What is destination? And what is queue? And what is topic under? Okay, so what is peer-to-peer communication, person-to-person communication, one-to-one communication? So these things under. Okay, now publisher is done. Okay, now publisher is done. So I want to read those messages. Okay, I want to read. Either you can create another project, or what you can do, you can go to source main Mule, create Mule configuration file. Just create ViTech WhatsApp message consumer. Okay, WhatsApp message consumer. So here, click on this JMS. I want to read the message. Okay, I want to read the message. Click on. So whenever there is a new message, right? Okay, so it has to pick up. Okay, click on this new JMS configuration we have already done for this. Next, copy this queue name here, the consumer type, queue consumer. Okay, it's a queue consumer, right? It's not a topic. Now, just I want to print the messages in my console. Okay, first I'll write like this. See, there is no loggers. There is no loggers in the publisher when I'm publishing the message. Okay, just observe. Just simply type payload. Okay, just simply type payload. Before this, message consumed. Okay, so it is building. Okay, let's wait for few seconds. What is the issue? Okay, let me clear this. Log payload. Go to queue. Still we do have 3 here. Okay, WhatsApp message. See, there is some spelling mistake, right? Okay, we do have two queue names here. And let me give the correct one. See, automatically it will read the messages. Okay, once it gets start, what it will do automatically, it will read the messages as soon as if you publish the new message. Okay. WhatsApp message queue and queue. Okay, fine. We are printing the payload. Now I'm going to send the message. Just observe. Let me send hi. Go to console and verify. See, if you observe here, message consumed. Hi. Let me, there is some spelling mistake. Okay, message. Let me correct it. Okay, fine. See, it's automatically reading. Okay, it's automatically reading. Okay, or receiving the message. Let me clear now. See, we need to set up one time. Okay, so once you set up, no need to trigger anything from a consumer end. Okay, so as soon as if you send the messages into this queue automatically it will consume. Automatically it will consume. Okay. Now let's quickly see here. If you observe here, see there are 0 pending messages. All the messages are enqueued and dequeued. So that means we have published and consumed. Now I'll keep on sending messages. Okay, hi, hello, how are you? See, if you observe this one, the count also increased. Earlier it was 4, now it is 7. If you go to console, you can able to see, hi, hello, how are you? See, this is another channel, guys. Okay, this is another person or another channel. He is going to consume your messages. So here you are going to send the messages. Learning MuleSoft. See, learning MuleSoft. What I will do, let me minimize. Okay, let me minimize. Okay. I have opened the console for consumer. I'll type here, happy Pongal. See the same message. As soon as if you send, first it will go to activemq MOM. Okay, activemq MOM. So from here it is reading. Okay, this is a middleware. Okay, this is a middleware. This is going to take care about producing and consumer producer and consumer. Okay. So this is the MOM server. ActiveMQ is the MOM server. This is one of the JMS service. Okay. So you can also practice the same. Okay. You can also practice the same. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this.